Howdy, everybody. This is Giuseppe Bartla here. I'm inside the mine. I've asked permission to the mountain. It's fine to come in because this is not my homeland. This is not my place. I'm just a visitor. Kind of like we all are here in life. In our souls, we're just visiting this body, visiting this place. And yeah, today is Wednesday, English day, and I decided to film this inside of somewhere special. And since we're talking about curfews and isolation and quarantine, the big words, I thought we'd share a poem about a type of curfew, let's call it, what we're experiencing. We're in a time of what should be of reflection. We should be thinking not about ourselves, but about what we want out of life, about the people we love, about what we want to do of ourselves, now and later, about how we can make this a better place, about how can we help each other, about how can we improve ourselves, the struggle from within to become better versions of ourselves, which is what that love, because we're all creatures of love, we're all made of love. See, you hate this when you've just blocked in that tool of love you got inside of you and you forget how to use it. That's not good to anybody. You're just numb and you can't really love. You can't enjoy. Enjoyment is a form of love. Poetry is a form of love. All the good things are forms of love. Okay, it's called Curfew in Lima, what it now means. It's talking about this isolation and connection with nature, with the beautiful, the sublime, like this beautiful mine shaft. It goes like this. There's a silence on the streets that spreads like a rumor, hotter than the humid summer's air. A few feet saunter without purpose, defying curfew, despite of the wind, whistling as if trying to alert the authorities. But all the bacon police car can do is tremble in stress of its emptiness. Who knew stillness was such a strain for the inanimate? Even the scar on the ozone's appendix is healing nicely. But when a few clouds cry out a rare summer rain that turns all things white grayer than the exhaust from a running car, each smudge running down a windshield is nature's way of posting hashtag please still stay at home. Yeah, that's a better place to read it than here. We are isolated, but by choice. See, there's the walls, the mind. It's a beautiful place. Don't forget to reflect, to think, to find a better way of being a better version of yourself, to find how to be a better communicator with your sense of purpose. Sometimes it takes us a lifetime. Sometimes it takes us forever, basically. We never figure it out. Not in this one, maybe in the next one. But while we wait, you're here. This is the moment. You know, kind of like what Edward Stoyle Cummins said, since feeling is first, who pays any attention to the syntax of things will never wholly kiss you. Wholly to be a fool while spring is in the world, for wisdom is a better fate than, I don't remember that, but you know what I'm at. Don't forget. Let's get on with it. We still have a chance. For whatever reason this virus happened or all this chaos, doesn't matter. Try to use love to get yourself out of this one. Try to be good this time. All of us, that includes me. And you don't need to be inside a mine shaft to figure that out. Go inside the most valuable shaft you have, your soul, your heart. Reflect. And remember, stay at home. Or as I say, hashtag, I stay at mine. Staying at mine. Or in the mine. Make it Mina. Alright, well, until our next episode, stay well, stay safe. Don't forget to love. Peace.